Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 24th to 28th August 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see on Friday we saw a 0.02% negative move. 1.16753 is the closing here. I will share about my opinion what could happen coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So do watch the full video. Let's straight away talk about our weekly momentum first. So let's open a weekly chart. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a tiny lower wick and a medium upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 6886 level, which is indicating as a slight negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or the indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and a resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here, important support zone and resistance zones are already marked. So currently, we don't need to mark any new levels. Let's straight away talk about the closing. So here, 1.16753 is the closing. Here, the direct support is 1.16457. Direct resistance is 1.16827. After direct support, there is a support of 1.16208 and then 1.15956. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.17168 and then 1.17454. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So do mark this level as well on your chart. So now, before I talk about my opinion, if you want to learn trading for free, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will share you the details on how you can learn trading for absolutely free. I will share you all the details when we are conducting, because these are all live sessions. I do take live sessions directly during weekends. So if you're interested in that, I will share you the details. You can contact me on my WhatsApp number. And also, if you don't have enough capital but still you want to trade in Forex market, I have already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funding. Once you pass the challenge account, you get the funding and there is a 80-20% split. If you want to know more about it, you can still contact me on my WhatsApp number. Now let's talk about my opinion in Euro USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a negative move in this, that is 1.162082, 1.16457. I'm expecting a negative move in this range, but if you're going for any long trade, then only go for a long trade once 1.16827 gets breached. With the 4-hour one-day candle closing, you can go for long till this level. Even you can wait for this level as well. Even though my expectation is a bit negative, I will also wait for a confirmation candle below 1.16457 and then only go for a short till this level. Even will wait for this level with a trailing stop loss. You can also do this if you are already experienced in Forex market. Overall, my expectation is a bit negative in this range. What are your expectation in Euro USD? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.